how did you happen to come up here?
Oh, a friend invited me up for a weekend a long time ago. Look, I see no reason for being coy about this. It was Mitch Brenner. I guess you knew that anyway.
I always suspected as much.
Well, you needn't worry. It's been over and done with a long time ago.
Annie, there's nothing between Mr. Brenner and me.
Isn't there? Well, maybe there isn't. Maybe there's never been anything between Mitch and any girl.
What do you mean?
I think I'll have some of that. I was seeing a lot of him in San Francisco. Then one weekend he invited me up to meet Lydia.
When was this?
Oh, 4 years ago. Shortly after his father died. Of course, things may be different now.
Different?
With Lydia. Did she seem a trifle distant?
A trifle.
Well, then perhaps things aren't quite so different. You know, her attitude nearly drove me crazy. When I got back to San Francisco, I spent days trying to figure out exactly what I'd done to displease her.
Well, what had you done?
Nothing. I simply existed. So what's the answer? Jealous woman, right? Clinging, possessive mother? Wrong. With all due respect to Oedipus, I don't think that was the case.
Well, what was it?
Lydia liked me. That's the strange part. Now that I'm no longer a threat, we're very good friends.
Why did she object to you?
'Cause she was afraid.
Afraid you'd take Mitch?
Afraid I'd give Mitch.
I don't understand.
Afraid of any woman who would give Mitch the one thing Lydia can give him. Love.
That adds up to a jealous, possessive woman.
No, I don't think so. You see, she's not afraid of losing Mitch. She's only afraid of being abandoned.
Someone ought to tell her she'd be gaining a daughter.
No, she already has a daughter.
What about Mitch? Didn't he have anything to say about this?
Well, I can understand his position. He'd just been through a lot with Lydia after his father died. He didn't want to risk going through it all again.
Oh, I see.
So it ended. Well, not right then, of course. We went back to San Francisco, saw each other now and then, but we both knew it was over.
Then what are you doing here in Bodega Bay?
I wanted to be near Mitch. Oh, it was over and done with, and I knew it, but I still wanted to be near him. You see, I still like him a hell of a lot. And I don't want to lose that friendship. Ever. Hello. Hello. No, I wasn't asleep. Yes, just a little while ago. Sure, hold on. It's Mitch. For you.
Hello? Oh, yes, this is Melanie. Fine, thank you. No, no trouble at all. I simply followed the road. Well, there's no need to apologize. I can understand. Well, it's very kind of you. No, I'm not angry. Well, I couldn't. I have to get back to San Francisco. No, I wouldn't want to disappoint Kathy, but... I see. All right, yes, I'll be there. Good night, Mitch. He wants me to go to Kathy's party tomorrow afternoon. I said I would.
Should be fun. I'll be there, too, to help.
Oh, it seems so pointless. Well, I think I'll go to sleep. It's been a busy day.